Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Binance. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the Binance app. It could be under your exchange or your Web3 wallet. Okay. Select your assets. Tap on assets right here. And then once that's done, go ahead and go to spot or fiat. Okay. Tap on this tab. And then what you're going to do next is just basically tap on send. Okay. Tap on send right here, and then what you're going to do next is just go ahead and tap on withdraw USD. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and choose P2P trading right here for you to be able to sell it directly to users, and the money will be sent out directly to your bank account as well. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you the simplest method right here, which is withdrawing with your local currency. Okay, so tap on withdraw USD or even withdraw PHP. So just tap on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, it will ask you to either select bank transfer, which got a 1.8% fee, or straight up P2P trading. Okay. Again, don't forget to select your currency right here. Let's say I'm just going to keep it to USD. Tap on it. Yeah, for USD. So just hit on continue, follow simple prompts, and you'll have a note that says, okay, you'll receive the money in about 0 to 5 business days. So continue and just make sure that you have fully verified your account. Okay, as you can see here, I'm just going to show you mine is not verified yet. So I might have to do it later. All right, but that's basically it. That is how you withdraw money from Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.